shut it down. Or else what? So guys, we're behind the scenes. We got Brittany here, unwilling participant.
Unwilling.
She's gonna be the camera woman number 2.
Number 2?
Plan is to do a little burnout in Justin's yard, and then maybe some donuts and whatnot. The behind the scenes video, that's what this is right now. We're gonna do a behind the scenes video so you guys can see the making of a burnout. I want to hold this like a dumbass. I'm right-handed. We're over here at Justin's house. We're making that plan. Frank's trying to fix this spot welder deal, and that's the lot over there. I walk into the garage and I see Justin doing this shit. Can't do too much copyright. I'ma drill you.
That's a grenade in motion.
Okay, I see what you're doing. You're gonna attack it at an angle. Get it, buddy. Oh. Well, there it is, folks. You gonna give it a little test donut there, see if it can go the full circle? It works.
You're getting a little closer to the fence there.
It's very tight. I don't know, one car can do it.
That was fucking gay.
There it is. That's Frank's entry right there. I just send that right to you, buddy.
That was gay.
Wait till we get 2 cars.
I should have been filming. We were going to try to get 2 cars at once. Are you working right now?
Gotta schmooze the neighbors, Justin.
Are you working?
Frank got yelled at. What are you doing out there, Frank? What the hell are you doing? It was a one and done, bud. You're just supposed to drive a circle.
We're just testing.
Yeah, you want a tandem in there, not pinwheel?
Well, that's what you just made it sound like. I'm
No,
like, all right.
no, I'm just saying you could enter and the other person enter. By the time you're starting to whip around, they're going to be here, and then you can get your pinwheel started and they actually get comfortable. You guys want a tandem? I think that's... I don't know about that one.
We're out here discussing the particulars.
No, I think that you and Tommy should... I think the Miata should be here.
6 foot.
That.
Back up.
Yeah, what are you doing?
This fisheye lens looks closer than it really is.
The glasses only look cool from 10 feet away.
What the hell are you saying? Haterade.
I can't wait to see your purple next to my purple. Put shit back, Thomas.
You gotta tighten this fucking wheel down, Frankus.
Why didn't you do that? You were over there.
I'm filming.
The rally thing was like a big thing of it.
The Carol Baskins one, that was Frank's idea.
Fuck that bitch.
He wanted people to dress up as Joe Exotic and Carol Baskins. And you know, we would do some acting out, some scenes. You know, like this is if Carol Baskins was here right now, this is what I do to her. And then, you know, shoot. But it'd have to be a water gun because I don't know, you shouldn't shoot real guns off like Joe Exotic does. That'd be crazy.
Exotic even.
Holy shit. That's shook as hell.
Yeah. What a dick.
Why would you open it immediately?
I couldn't help it.
Look at that, it was leaking out of the solenoid and it fixed itself there. That's pretty funny.
Nitrous for burnout.
Oh, it's making a sizzling noise. Ah, it burned. Yep. Pretty nervous, honestly.
Did you guys do the A before you came
Do
here?
a circle. How come you didn't do a circle?
I'm gonna do a circle?
What are you worried about?
Just the tightness and the neighbors, and I don't know, this is pretty...
Don't worry about the neighbors.
I'm
just
like
worry about-
actually a little fucking nervous, dog.
Don't worry about the tightness. Just stay off of this side.
Justin's got the next neighbor to explain himself to and what's going on here. Could get pretty wild. All right, hell yeah, so we got a thumbs up.
That's 2 neighbors. Nice.
And we got a kind of a wishy-washy thumbs up from over there.
Yes.
Good stuff. Cool. Well, hey, if she films it, then that's even better. Brittany's gonna film it. Where's Cassie? We gotta wait for her.
She's down for 5:30. 5:15.
I'll be participating on the shuttle.
Oh, this is gonna be the sickest burn dog of all.
5:14.
We did hear a purr.
Oh
Get
shoot.
it checked. These are the new Pergia Slims. Okay.
Check it. I got an OBD2 in here.
You need to do the glowing Polino off of that.
Not bad, guys. Not bad.
I hit the curb. I felt it. I was like, oh no.
You messed up my parking pad.
Yeah, we really fucked up. Look.
Oh, gee.
We fucked up. Oh, that's not even the big deal. Yeah, that one's nothing.
The beer was the marker. I told you.
Oh,
That was the marker. Sorry, neighbor.
yeah, it's besides the board. Yeah, what? $7-8 on a bag of concrete? Okay.
Frank has plans for more. I think Frank wants to do more.
I'm just happy.
Do more of this.
I know that was me.
You felt that?
Well, no, I felt it over there. I felt that hit.
Yeah.
Like, I won't be surprised if my wrench messed up. I had someone going.
Ah, Frank. Ah, fuck.
Where did yours hit? Here?
He wrote. That must have been that.
No, that's that over there. I felt that.
Oh yeah, I see it. I see where. That's me. That's me. I got that chunk. I'll take
Oh,
that
that's
home.
you?
I'm gonna put that in my pocket.
This might be me then.
That was you probably.
Yeah. You got sweet gas.
Huh?
You got sweet gas.
I don't give a shit about that rim.
I know, everyone's like, it looks like aluminum foil at this point. Did you do second gear?
No, I stayed in first. No, you got to get one of them drones, Jamie. You got to get a drone in. Just, nah, you ain't gonna. Right now I'm standing up on top of a fucking single goddamn pole with my legs wrapped around it, and this wind is blowing. Holy shit. Holy shit. Ah, fuck yeah, Justin, that was awesome.